Today, we're diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence, addressing the burning question: what is artificial intelligence? If you've ever wondered how machines can think and learn, you've come to the right place. Let's get started right away. The basics: artificial intelligence, often abbreviated as AI, is a fascinating field of computer science. Essentially, it's about designing machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. The goal is to make computers process information, recognize patterns, and make decisions, much like the human brain. Machine learning. A fundamental part of AI is machine learning. It's a process where computer algorithms continuously analyze data to identify patterns and relationships. Over time, these machines can make better predictions and decisions based on their experiences. Types of AI. There are different types of artificial intelligence. Weak AI or narrow AI refers to machines that can solve specific tasks, such as speech recognition or image recognition. Strong AI, on the other hand, would have the ability to possess general intelligence at the human level. However, we are still far from achieving this level of AI. AI applications. Artificial intelligence has already impacted our daily lives in many ways. From personalized recommendations on streaming platforms to self-driving cars and medical diagnoses, the application areas are diverse and continuously expanding. Challenges and opportunities. While artificial intelligence offers tremendous opportunities, we also face challenges like data privacy, ethics, and security. Addressing these issues is crucial to ensure responsible AI development. In summary, artificial intelligence is an exciting field dealing with the creation of machines that can mimic human intelligence. This is achieved through machine learning and the ability to perform tasks that were previously reserved for humans. The applications are wide-ranging, and the future of AI promises even more exciting developments. That's it for today. I hope this overview has helped you better understand artificial intelligence. If you're eager to dive deeper into fascinating topics, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.